pretty mad at me.
I'm not mad.
Man, that's a Wawa. Wawa fucks ass.
If I get a shirt, I'll promise I'll give it to you.
You ass
Sure,
licker.
whatever you say.
You
I
ass
will.
I don't want no Wawa shirt.
Me neither. I was just saying
I already
that.
got my shirt.
You
Fair and all you.
ass licker.
What now? What now? What now?
Wow, what's that?
My shirt better than you, and you put together.
It releases the gas on the lighter when it doesn't light the fire.
I broke my arm in this shirt. So what now?
Yeah, well, I'm sure this is Bald Kid's rock. And Kid sets fire. I got Spencer's Fail shirt. Cody and Cameron, good man. Yes.
I have a lot of shirts too.
What?
Yeah.
How would you say about me? Huh? How what about my mom?
I didn't say anything.
Don't lie. Hey, Mr. Soft.
Hmm? Oh.
To me, was it hot out? Not even 5 degrees and you're wearing girl pants. I'm still tormented, okay? I'm still tormented. You know that? No.